Alright people, starting by announcing the very first award of the day is the Iconic Leadership in Higher Education 2025, and this goes to Professor Dr. Keshav Sharma, Vice Chancellor, the ICFA University, Himachal Pradesh. Come on, louder, louder, louder! Award is the Eminence Award for Iconic Leadership in Research. Eminence Awards for Iconic Leadership in Research, Ranking and Accreditation 2025, and this goes to Dr. Chandra Prakash, who is the Group Pro Vice Chancellor from Rayat Behra University. As we have one more award, which is the Iconic Young Leader Shaping Higher Education Award, which belongs to Mr. Gurinder Singh Bhara, but since he's not present here, you are requested to please receive it on his behalf. Moving towards the next award, which is Excellence in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2025. And this goes to Dr. B.S. Bhatia, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor from RIMT University, Punjab. Congratulations, sir. Moving towards the next award, which is Excellence in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices. And this goes to, any guesses? This goes to Dr. Nitin Pathak, who is the Professor and HOD Commerce from Chandigarh University. I believe moving towards the next award, which is Outstanding Entrepreneurship Educator Award of the year 2025, and this goes to Shri Harsha Nallamalli ji, Professor, who is the Head of Marketing, Wadhwani Foundation. Congratulations. These were the leadership awards, and now we would like to proceed towards presenting the awards for higher education. So the category is Outstanding University in Learning Initiative and Skill Development 2025, and I want all of you to guess the name. The receiver of Outstanding University in Learning Initiative and Skill Development. This goes to, come on. This goes to ICFA University, Himachal Pradesh. Congratulations, can we have the representative to receive the honor? Come on, we want the entire team on the stage. Congratulations, guys. Come on, everybody. Give it up for them. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you so much. Well, the next category is Pioneering University in Higher Education 2025, and this goes to Rayat Behra University. Give it up for Rayat Behra University next. Come on everybody, round of applause. Towards the next category, Remarkable Contribution in Innovation in Higher Education 2025 goes to Thapar Institute of Engineering. Please put your hands together as we welcome the representative on the stage. Congratulations, sir. Moving towards the next category, which is Most Promising University in Agriculture Sector 2025, and this goes to Guru Kashi University, Punjab. Congratulations. Congratulations. Moving towards the last category in higher education sector, and Most Promising Emerging University of the year 2025 goes to, come on, the Most Promising Emerging University of the year 2025 goes to Indus International University, Himachal Pradesh. Congratulations. Talu ki awaaz, come on everyone, give a big shout out to them. With that, we come to the next segment, Corporate Awards, and the name of this category and the name of the award is Best Hostels Experience Partner for University. And we all know the name, right? We all know the name, right? Give it up for Zoho Scholar. Louder guys, louder. Thank you so much and congratulations. With that, we would like to thank Mr. Anand Bala for joining us here. Thank you so much. Give it up for the gentleman, everybody. Would like to request you, Mr. Nikunj, to please stay here on the stage, and along with the gentleman, I would like to request Mr. Sumit Rawat to please come up on the stage. Mr. Sumit Rawat. Do we have Mr. Sumit? All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, these were the awards. Moving towards the felicitation now. Moving towards the felicitation, ladies and gentlemen. So we have this special category for felicitation, basically recognizing excellence in academia awards, which is going to be awarded to the deans, director, and institutional heads, and obviously the professors. So basically we are going to felicitate them under 3 major categories. The first category is going to be leadership excellence in higher education. The second is going to be teaching excellence in higher education. And third is going to be academic promise in higher education. So with that, we are ready to start the felicitation. We know the criteria now. Obviously, we are starting with the very first category, which is leadership excellence in higher education. So basically, we are going to invite all the pioneers, or I would say the visionaries, all the heads together one by one on the stage. But I genuinely want to hear how much excitement can we create for these amazing people who have dedicated their life in building the nation. Can we give a huge round of applause for them? Come on. So we are going to start with academic promise in higher education. Can we have Mr. Nikunj on the stage to present the set? Give it up for Mr. Nikunj and Mr. Sumit Rawat from Observe Now Media. They'll be presenting all the felicitation certificates on the stage. एक बार तालियों के साथ इनका भी स्वागत कर लेते हैं. Come on everybody, give it up for them. Alright, so the very first academic promise in higher education goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar, Assistant Professor from CT Institute of Hospitality Management. Would like to request you all to please hurry up if you can. It will be helpful for others. I believe the gentleman is not present here. Moving towards inviting Dr. Sahil Atri, Assistant Professor from Government Medical College and Hospital. Give it up for the gentleman. Come on, everybody. Well, to receive the next felicitation certificate, I would like to request Dr. Kuwar Pal, who is the Assistant Professor with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology. Recognition, we would like to welcome Dr. Gaganpreet Kaur, who is the Assistant Professor with Multani Mal Modi College. तालियों की आवाज अच्छी लगती है साथ साथ. Come on everybody, give it up. Next, I would like to request Professor Sukhpreet Kaur, who is the Assistant Professor with PML SD Business School. Dr. Shilpi Gupta, Assistant Professor with Hindu College. Dr. Kapil Gupta, Assistant Professor with IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University. Let's welcome Ms. Shilpa Chandel, Associate Professor, the ICFA University, Himachal Pradesh. Mr. Hardeep Saini, Assistant Professor with Chandigarh College of Engineering and Technology. Towards the next category, Leadership Excellence in Higher Education, starting by inviting Mr. Vineet Raj Kapoor, founder and CXO of Chandigarh Design School. I would like to request Dr. Pallab Das, Founding Dean from School of Law, Centurion University of Technology and Management. Well, the gentleman is receiving on behalf of Dr. Pallab Das. Let's welcome Mr. Gulshan Sandhu, who is the Registrar with Career Point University, Hamirpur. Mr. Gulshan Sandhu. Give it up for Dr. Harpreet Rai, Director of Doba Group of Colleges. Dr. Harpreet Rai. Can we have Professor Dr. Himanshu Tripathi, Dean and Director of NIMS University? Looks like they are still on their way. Moving towards the next name, let's welcome Dr. Anuj Kumar Gupta, Director Principal from CGC College of Engineering. Congratulations, let's welcome Mr. Vikrant Vashisht, Deputy Director Outreach from Maharishi Markandeshwar College. Mr. Vikrant Vashisht. Can we have Mr. Ankur Gill, Director Operations from Swami Vivekanand Group of Institute, Chandigarh. Is receiving on his behalf. Let's welcome Mr. Ashish Bali next, who is the Associate Director with RIMT University. Congratulations, sir. The next recipient is Dr. Anmol Goyal, who is the Dean of School of Engineering and Technology, Rayat Behra University. Congratulations. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Lakhvinder Singh, who is the Dean Academics and HOD from Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College. Beautiful Dr. Lakhvinder Singh, everybody. I would like to request Professor Dr. Anita Goyal, HOD Computer Applications from Rayat Behra University. Give it up for Mr. Tarun Gupta, SVP Operations and HR, SCDOE from Shulini University. Next, I would like to request Ms. Ritu Kawar, Senior Manager, Operations and Outreach, Shulini University. And Mr. Gaurav Kumar Dhuria, Associate Professor, DAV, Institute of Engineering and Technology. Congratulations. Well, this was Leadership Excellence in Higher Education. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for all the leaders. Come on everybody, give a thunderous round of applause. Louder one this time. With that, we would like to proceed towards the next segment, which is Teaching Excellence in Higher Education. That means we will be inviting all the professors and principals one by one, starting by inviting Dr. Tripta Parmar, Principal of Sant Darbara Singh College of Education for Women. तालियों के साथ, let's welcome the lady on the stage. Come on. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, I would like to request Dr. Sameer Sharma, who is the principal of Swami Premanand Mahavidyalaya. Dr. Sameer Sharma, give it up for the gentleman, everyone. Come on. There's just one or two constant people who are applauding for everyone. Rest of you guys, come on, be a spot. Last 10 awards, we all can do that. Come on. Next, I would like to request Dr. Shushila Narang, Principal of Kenway College of Education. Congratulations. Moving towards the next name, let's welcome Dr. Amandeep, Principal of Akal Degree College. request Dr. Sarabjit Kaur, Principal of Guru Nanak College, to receive the honor. जोरदार तालियों के साथ now let's welcome Dr. Neena Aneja, Principal of SD College for Women. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, I would like to request Dr. Neeru Garg, Principal of Sri Sanatan Dharam Girls College. Dr. Neeru Garg. Dr. Taban Behl, Professor and Head of School from Amity School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Amity University. With that, we've come to last 3 awards. Can we all appreciate them? Come on, give it a big I welcome Dr. Tarun Parashar, Professor and HOD, Dev Bhoomi, Uttarakhand University. Let's welcome Dr. Sarabjit Singh Bedi, Professor of Business Management from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology. And the last one, Mr. Deepak Dixit, Director Outreach from Rayat Behra University. Louder one, guys, louder, louder, come on, give it up for the gentleman. Thank you, Sam. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the conclusion of the day. Well, but we do have something left. There is one more person. Mr. Nitin Panda. Can we have the gentleman on the stage, please? Mr. Nitin Panda. Give it up for the gentleman. Come on, everybody. First of all, एक बार जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. Come on, everybody. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.